Navy announced plans April 8th to deploy the Laser Weapon System, or LAWS, to the 5th Fleet Area of Responsibility on board USS Ponce beginning in fiscal year 2014.
This technology is really important to the fleet so that what we can do is make the cost of delivering fire to an enemy affordable and to relieve ourselves of the need to rearm. Having a magazine that is essentially endless because we can generate power as long as we've got generators able to be fueled gives us, until the end of our fuel supply, the ability to generate energetic fires against an enemy, whether that's defensive or offensive.
LAWS provides ships with a scalable weapon.
And my colleague Avalon will talk about that. But again, we feel very confident everything we've done this week.
I'm Petty Officer Brandy Wills. The Office of Naval Research announced the Laser Weapon System, or LAWS, successfully deployed and operated aboard a naval vessel in the Arabian Gulf. The operational test took place from September to November aboard USS Ponce. During the test, LAWS hit targets mounted aboard an oncoming small boat, shot an unmanned aerial vehicle out of the sky, and destroyed other moving targets at sea. LAWS operated seamlessly with existing ship defense systems and provided new levels of precision and speed for naval warfighters. They also bring increased safety for ships and crews because it is not dependent on traditional propellant and gunpowder-based ordnance. The announcement confirms continued progress on directed energy weapons and supports the CNO's navigation plan.